is a great opportunity for you to gain experience and network with alumni and top academics. In today's video, we shall learn on how to apply to study in Israel and be part of the giants. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, you're most welcome and you're here to stay. My name is Rita Weji and I welcome you all. On here we study on how to apply, how to get scholarships and everything within school. Let's get started. Why study in Israel? As a student, your main concern studying abroad should be the quality of the university you will be attending. And most universities in Israel are known worldwide for their academic excellence. They offer programs in English for you to learn and succeed as an international student. In order to start your academic experience in Israel, number one is to search for a program. You'll need to first look for a program that is suitable for you. All you need to do is to go to a specific university website and look for those programs that are aimed for international students. Number two is the application process. This might take a lot of time and I would urge you guys to do this as soon as possible. Once you have chosen a program of your interest, you'll need to look through the admission requirements of that particular program. And you can do this still through the university website. There are specific documents that each university wants students to send them through the application process. One is the academic transcript or diploma certificate, your CV, statement of purpose, recommendation letters, medical certificate, and passport. All these should be ready as you're applying for a specific program. Once you have been admitted at the university, you receive an acceptance letter. And the last process in here is the visa application. This is one of the most exciting parts during the application process. The fact that you have an acceptance form, which is part of the documents that are needed by the visa embassy. Now, as a student in Israel, you will get an A2 student visa and you will need to apply for your visa at the Israeli embassy or the consulate abroad. There are specific documents that are needed while you're applying for a visa. Say, the formal acceptance letter from your university, scholarship letter, your passport, of course, 2 passport pictures, and other documents as you will read on your Israeli embassy, irrespective of your country. One other good opportunity that comes along with studying in Israel, students on their master's, PhD or postdoc can work as a research assistant or teaching assistant in their respective fields of study. And they can do this at the university they are studying from. We have come to the end of the video, and please always never give up. Opportunities come to those who are ready. So you should always get ready, be it in Israel or in whichever country you'll go to. I believe you'll get there if you are planned and if you are ready for this opportunity. It has been your girl Rita Weji. I hope you'll come back for more videos like this, more scholarship opportunities, how to apply, and we shall be learning together as we are here on Weji TV. I love you all. Bye bye.